Welcome to 2032 Aragon Drive, located in beautiful Pittsburg, California. This stunning home offers the perfect combination of luxury, convenience, and comfort.
Upstairs, you'll find a massive primary bedroom with an ensuite, as well as a junior suite. Come check it out with us.
As you enter the front door, you're greeted by gorgeous engineered wood flooring along with the formal dining and living room.
Beyond, you will find the massive kitchen featuring beautiful granite countertops, espresso-colored wood cabinets with copious storage, a gas cooktop, a large center island and recessed lighting, which opens up to the giant living room, perfect for relaxing with family and friends.
The downstairs also features a bedroom currently used as an office, a full bathroom with shower over tub, and the laundry room.
Upstairs, the large loft and additional bedrooms provide plenty of space for family members or guests to stay, play, and enjoy.
The hall bathroom features a dual sink vanity and shower over tub combo.
The junior suite provides an additional private sanctuary for someone to stay, featuring an ensuite bathroom with a stall shower enclosed in glass.
The huge primary suite with its luxurious ensuite bathroom and views of the hills is the perfect blend of comfort, beauty, and serenity.
The rear yard is beautifully landscaped with a paver patio and lawn area, which makes a wonderful outdoor space to enjoy.
This prime location with easy access to freeways, BART, shopping, parks, and schools is incredibly desirable. Pittsburg, California is an incredible and diverse community located in the East Bay area, which hosts numerous parks and recreational areas, an eclectic collection of restaurants and eateries, shopping malls, a marina with access to the Delta waterways to enjoy boating, water sports, and some of the best fishing in the world, a BART station with easy access to Oakland, Berkeley, and San Francisco.
Thank you so much for taking this tour with us. We hope you love the house as much as we do.
And for more information, pictures, a full 3D scan that you can view from any device in the world, go to the property website at 2032aragon.com. And if you have additional questions or you'd like to schedule a private tour, give us a call. Take care.